Hello everyone. In this video, we will see how to switch your mobile data from one SIM to another. Okay, so this is going to be a very quick tutorial. So to change the SIM card of your mobile data, you can just go to settings and then go to mobile network. So these settings might be different in some cases if your phone's Android version is different, but you should always have the option of mobile network. So you need to get into these, and after that here you can see the option for internet, and you just need to click here and you can change your SIM card. So maybe in sometime you have mobile data in your second SIM or your first SIM, so you can just switch it from here. Okay, so as you can see, the internet SIM card has been changed from SIM 1 to SIM 2, and if you want to change it again back to SIM 1, then you can just do the same here and turn on the mobile data and you are good to go. Okay.